Wagwan guys, welcome back. And today we are make some curry turkey neck. Normally it's 2 turkey neck, but today a curry turkey neck. Yeah man, we have some turkey neck wash off and ready to season up and thing. Yeah man, let's go. We have some onion, we have some garlic, we have some pepper, we have some skillet and thyme. Yeah man, that's how we're gonna do it to the people. Yeah man, we have some pimento seed. We have some jerk season too. And yeah, we're gonna use curry. Better pack curry. You know what I mean? Yeah, better flavor. Best curry on the market. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys. And remember, like, subscribe and share. Okay guys, so we have a pot heating with some oil. We're gonna add a few pimento berries. Yeah, cause we're gonna burn the curry. Yeah man. Alright guys, it's been about an hour and we're gonna re-season the pot. We're gonna add some Irish, sweet pepper, onion and carrot. Yeah. Okay guys, that is it. Looks beautiful. Yeah, our vegetables are cooked. Yeah man, nice and beautiful. Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful. And remember to hit the like button. It's free. Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.